This is mine! Oh, you're so mean. It's your blue movie from... What?
Печа. Тут. Тут. Make her do it again. Okay. Oh. What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy no. No, you guys. Pass, have you looked in your window? Look in your window, Pass.
Pinky, you can't do that anymore. You're making a mess.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't see.
Feeding time. She really likes her dog food. She's got some unusual eating habits.
Great manners.
Yeah.
Come here, you. She's just like, no.
Merlot. Oh. Okay. Come here.
And she's playing with the bell on her neck.
Like, I thought she was
She's so tiny. Oh,
Oopsie daisy.
what? Hazel!
Tina, get in here. Come on. Tina. No. Tina.
You need to be tucked in?
Go ahead. Where are you going? Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. This way.
Get on because these cats love to do like this.
Sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No. Sure. Down. Back on. Push Scooter. Push Scooter. Push Scooter. Push him. Oh, good. This is what's happening. You see this? You see what she's doing? Because she's trying to scratch.
Get it.
Is that a baby possum?
Yeah. Get her, Mom.
Oh, Miley. Who's that? Who's that? Who is it?
I see a big school out ahead of us.
Hijo de puta. Ey, devolvé la guita, ey. Vení acá. Chorro de mierda. Devolvé la guita. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué te choreaste?
Had to get her a tablet. This is the only way she'll stay up out your phone, because if your phone on, she come push your whole phone out your hand.
Inhale, lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back of the mat as your left hand reaches toward the front of your mat. Beautiful.
Hey, hey, hey. Let me help you. I'm gonna get you.
It's all right. Maybe wait for the car. Oh.
You're safe.
Where can I put it? Over
Just
here?
set it down. There you go. Oh.